So the next LeetCode question we have is top k frequent elements. So top k frequent elements. What the question says? Question says that we'll be given an integers array. We will be given a k, that is an integer, and we have to return top k elements. Like we were given k equal to 2, then we have to give top two most frequent elements. The top two most frequent is 1 and 2. Another example, in a single array, what is the most frequent element? That is 1. So let's draw a diagram for this. Hmm. If we maintain a map, if we maintain a map, so let's iterate. So one brute force approach is you sort this array, and have a double loop, like a nested loop. And if the k is 2, then you'll get all the most frequent elements in a sorted manner, and you can just pick them. But let's do something better, a better optimal approach. I'm not showing that nested loop logic in detail because that's very obvious. So what we will do, so we'll iterate over this array. So what this will store, what will this store, this map? This map will store the number and its frequency. Okay. So again, if we found the entry in the map that we are looking for currently, we'll update its frequency, else we'll create a new entry in the map. So let's iterate. We have 1. 1 doesn't exist. Let's create 1, and frequency is 1. Then again 1. then again 1. So it will become 1, then become 2, then it becomes 3. Okay, now we are at 2. So let's create an entry for 2 and its frequency is 1. Again we'll move forward. Now again we'll increment this. Now we have 3. 3 has an occurrence, frequency occurrence of 1. Now, if you get all the frequencies, we have all the numbers and their corresponding frequencies. Okay. Now we want to sort it because we want top k most frequent. If we sort it, how we will get it? If we sort it based on frequency, this will remain unchanged because 3, then 2, then 1. And then we have to pick top 2, top k, that is top 2. And in top 2 we'll have this thing. And our result will be 1 and 2. So this finally will become our result. Let's see this in code. First of all, we'll create a group, that's a map with the name of groups that will hold number and frequency as key value pairs. For the nums, we'll iterate over it, and in the groups in the map we'll set for the number. If the group has the number, then we'll just increment the frequency. Groups dot get num plus 1 means this number's frequency plus 1. So we are incrementing the frequency, or else we are just placing frequency as 1 because this is the first time we have found it. Next step that I have told, like we have to sort this map based on this frequency. So groups dot entries dot sort. Groups dot entries gives us an iterator, so we can sort over it. You can't directly sort a group, so we are first converting it into an iterator. I have told here, I guess. Map prototype dot entries method gives us a map iterator. So it's a map iterator that has key value. So we can assume it like an array of key value, like this, something like this. Array that has again array as key comma value. Then again we have a key comma value, and so on. So this gives us the array, and we are sorting it based on frequency, means descending order. B minus A is general way to sort numbers, but we are doing B of 1 minus A of 1 because what is 1? 0 comma 1. 1 is value. Value means frequency. So we are sorting over frequency. Okay, we have got sorted map. Now sorted map dot slice 0 comma k. Dot slice gives us top k, means top 2. So we are saying we don't want the whole map, but we want only top 2 items of the map. Okay, top 2 entries of the map. And then again, because this sorted frequency in entries is an array that I have told, like this gives us an map iterator. So sorted frequencies array looks like this, something like this. Key is 1, value is 3, and again key is 2 and value or frequency is 2. So this is something our sorted frequency entries look like, and it have something more as well. When we slice it by 0 comma k, and if k is 2, then it will give us first 2. Then in the map, what we are saying, give me numbers and frequency, that is this thing, key comma value pair, and I'm mapping it to just number. So this becomes something like just 1 comma 2, number comma frequency, but we are just keeping only number. That is the map, right? Map returns a new array. Like map is used to do transformation with an existing array and return a new array. So that's the whole solution. And if we talk of complexity, so we are iterating once, so it's O of n, and map storage is like map can hold or max n items, the size of the array, so it's O of n. Let's try to run this. Top k elements, so I've already solved it. Let's solve it again, means run it again. So that's the solution of this question.